Love's Beacon.
A good lover is a beacon of warmth in life's coldest moments, a reassuring presence that transforms ordinary days into extraordinary adventures. They understand that love is not just a word, but a collection of thoughtful gestures, a symphony of shared love, and an unwavering support system. A good lover navigates the intricate dance of emotions with grace, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and connection. In their embrace, vulnerability becomes strength, and shared dreams become the foundation for a fulfilling journey. A good lover doesn't just love, they inspire, uplift, and stand as a testament to the transformative power of genuine, selfless affection. So let the heart be a canvas painted with the brushstrokes of kindness, passion, and understanding, creating a masterpiece that tells a story of enduring love and unwavering commitment.